So you are going to Trinidad and Tobago and you are in need of a SIM card and you want to know, well, which SIM card is the best? What about speeds and coverage? Well, in this video I will tell you all you need to know about buying a SIM card in Trinidad and Tobago. So let's just get started, shall we? Hi! It's Odu from Phone Travelers here, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone, such as buying a SIM card in Trinidad and Tobago. If videos like this sound interesting to you, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Trinidad and Tobago, one of the dual island nations in the Caribbean, which is one of the few dual island nations in the world actually, but yeah, dual island nation in the Caribbean. So you want to get the SIM card and you want to know everything you need to know. I will cover stuff like the operators, SIM card prices, which SIM card is the best, speeds, coverage, and packages. So let's just get started with number one, which are the operators here in Trinidad and Tobago. Well, you actually have two different operators. You have Digicel and B-Mobile. If you've been to other Caribbean nations, then Digicel is a very familiar name, whereas B-Mobile is not as familiar. Well, it's still owned by Cable and Wireless, which now owns Flow, which was named Line before, so it's the same duopoly in most Caribbean nations, even in Trinidad and Tobago. So what about SIM card prices? Well, you can get yourself a Digicel SIM card for 49 TTD, whereas you can get a B-Mobile SIM card starting from 50 TTD. I say starting from because they have different SIM card prices with different values, which I'm already showing you on the screen, but the starting price is 50. So what about two SIM cards? These two operators, they both used to sell two SIM cards. Right now only one does, which is B-Mobile, and their SIM card, they come in two different variants, which I'm showing you on the screen. Coming with data, on-net minutes, local minutes, international SMS, and yeah, some perks that may be interesting for tourists. And the international minutes, or maybe it's called anywhere minutes, is just for select destinations, which I'm showing you on the screen as well. Whereas Digicel, they used to sell a tourist SIM card for 30 USD or for 202.50 TTD, but it seems like once they revamped their plans, which was late 2020, they got rid of the tourist SIM card. It may have to do with something that happened around the world as well, you know, the thing. But yeah, I'm not sure if they will reintroduce it again or not, but we will see. But right now only B-Mobile sells two SIM cards. So where can you get yourself a SIM card in Trinidad and Tobago? Well, you have to go to the official stores of these operators, so a Digicel store or a B-Mobile store. You can also get them from authorized dealers, or in the case of B-Mobile, they call them channel partners, where they sell SIM cards as well. If you fly into Pairico International Airport, if pronounced correctly, then you can get the SIM card as well. The SIM card for Robinson's International Airport on Tobago, they sell SIM cards there as well. I'm not sure about the small regional airports, but the international airports, they sell SIM cards there. So what about SIM card registration? Like most nations in the Caribbean, you actually have to register your SIM card with your passport information, your personal information. So make sure to bring your passport with you when you go to the official stores or authorized dealer or channel partners, because otherwise they cannot sell you a SIM card. If you're at the airport, then well, you most likely will have your passport with you. I'm not sure if some Caribbean nations or Caribbean citizens can visit Trinidad and Tobago with an ID or no passport/ID at all. Probably not, but hey, bring your passport with you. And in the past, it was sort of a hit or miss regarding registrations. Sometimes they asked for your passport, sometimes they didn't, but right now they both do it. So which SIM card is the best? Which should you go with when you're in Trinidad and Tobago? Well, the one with the best coverage and the best speeds is Digicel. They are the clear winner basically. I'll talk about coverage and speeds a little bit later, but yeah, Digicel is the number one. But if you think, well, you want to get a lot of data or unlimited data, you may want to consider B-Mobile because they offer unlimited data plans, but we will talk about internet packages and plans a little bit later, but keep that in mind. Okay, so coverage. Well, Trinidad and Tobago, they are not your largest nations in the world. In fact, none of the Caribbean, okay, most of the Caribbean nations are not, but coverage throughout Trinidad and Tobago is actually quite good. I've already showed you the maps of Digicel. I'm now showing you one of B-Mobile. You can see that, you know, coverage is alright. 4G coverage is good, and yeah, and general availability is good as well, even with B-Mobile, although it's a bit worse compared to Digicel, but it should be fine. If you're staying in the touristy places, which well, both islands are, then you should be fine with coverage with both SIM cards. So what about speeds? Well, this is actually quite funny because they are the country with the fastest mobile speeds in the Caribbean, which is kind of surprising, or at least it was surprising to me. I would have expected it to be Jamaica or something. But yes, speeds in Trinidad and Tobago, they are quite high. In fact, the average download speed is 40 megabits per second, at least at the time of recording, and the world average is 36 megabit per second. So Trinidad and Tobago is a little bit above the world average, which is quite unusual for island nations because they are usually slower. So if you go from Trinidad and Tobago to another Caribbean nation after visiting that dual island nation, then you might experience slower speeds. So be aware of that. So what about recharging your SIM card? Recharge cards are sold all throughout Trinidad and Tobago in regular stores. You don't have to go to a dedicated Digicel store or B-Mobile store or channel partners. Digicel cards or recharge cards are sold in denominations of 20 to 500 TTD, and vouchers start from 5 to 500 TTD. To recharge, you have to dial this code, which is *121* and then voucher code and then the pound key. And to check your balance, make sure to dial *120 and pound key. In the case of B-Mobile, recharge cards are sold in values of 20, 50 and 100 TTD. You can get an e-card, so an electronic card, which is basically a voucher or slip, starting from 10 TTD all the way up to 200 TTD. To recharge, make sure to dial *135* and then voucher codes and then the pound key. And to check your balance is *120 pound key. I've seen that before. They're just keeping it easy in Trinidad and Tobago, I think. Before we talk about the internet packages, I quickly want to compare the internet rates in Trinidad and Tobago with other Caribbean nations. According to cable.co.uk, they found that the average price of 1 GB of data in Trinidad and Tobago is $5.92 USD, whereas the Caribbean average is $7.19 USD, which both is above the world average of $5.03 USD. But once again, island nations are often more expensive to get data because, well, they're island nations and some other reasons, but that's beyond the scope of this video. And Trinidad and Tobago, they are like in the middle, so they are not the most expensive place where you can get data, but they're also not the cheapest, so they are like on the 14th place of the, well, I don't know how many countries we have there or nations, but yeah, that's something to be aware of. Okay, so let's talk about the packages. What type of packages do these operators offer? Well, at the time of recording, they revamped their plans altogether, not just in Trinidad and Tobago, but all the Caribbean nations they are active in. They now have something called Prime bundles. We can get regular data, dedicated data allowances for specific apps, on-net minutes and anywhere minutes, which is to specific places. I will talk about that a little bit later. But before that, you had the quick pick bundles and the more bundles and so on bundles. But yeah, these are quite new. Do know that these bundles are advertised like with higher data allowances than they actually, well, not that they actually come from, but they include the data allowances from the specific apps. So yeah, just be aware of that. If it says like you get like 500 gigabytes of data, well, you get 500 gigabytes in total, but you get 100 gigabytes for whatever use, and then 50 gigabytes for that specific app for chatting and radio and so forth and so forth. On the screen, I will show you what the anywhere minutes are where you can call to, which are quite generous. I think that's a cool perk. Most Caribbean nations have these perks, especially Digicel, because they include Digicel Caribbean, which that's quite cool. In the case of B-Mobile, we have several bundles. Most of them, they come with unlimited data, which is quite cool. Also on-net minutes, unlimited Facebook and WhatsApp messaging, and some other perks. Do know that even though it says unlimited data, the fair use policy says if you're using like a lot of data, so being like an outliner compared to the regular users, then your speeds will be throttled. Well, there's no specific hard cap on when your speeds will be throttled, but well, you know, don't go overboard, don't start like, I don't know, uploading large files 24/7, that will be weird and they would, well, shut you down. But yeah, your plans are unlimited data, speeds are not throttled except for streaming, like video, gaming and audio streaming at 512 kilobits per second. But if you would choose a VPN, they will be able to circumvent this throttling, so go to ptw.link/VPNs where you can see my VPN recommendations. That's a secret tip between you and me. So yes, that's what you need to know about buying a SIM card in Trinidad and Tobago. There's not much choice, just two operators, like most Caribbean nations. In most places it's just Digicel and Flow, but here it's called B-Mobile. But the options that they have, they are quite generous. In fact, compared to other Caribbean nations, at least with Digicel, you actually have one bundle more compared to, let's say, Barbados. They only have 3 options and the data allowances are much lower than in Trinidad and Tobago. So yeah, quite cool. Once again, I'm Otto for Phone Service, where I talk about everything related to traveling with your phone, such as local SIM cards, local SIM card reviews, international roaming, just everything related to traveling with your phone. If you sign up for my newsletter at ptw.link/newsletter, I will send you an Excel sheet with the best local SIM cards in over 230 destinations, which gets updated once a month, all for free. So if you're a frequent traveler or if you plan on visiting more places, I would recommend you to sign up for that newsletter. If you're going to other Caribbean nations, there's a card on the screen. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.